8 tips to reduce creatinine levels naturally. 1. Don't take supplements containing creatine. Creatine is a natural compound made in your liver. It's transported to your muscles where it's used for energy. Unused creatine that's not used as energy gets converted into creatinine, a waste product. In addition to its natural form, creatine is available as an oral supplement. Some athletes use these creatinine-producing supplements to help enhance athletic performance. Anyone wishing to reduce their creatinine levels to improve their kidney function should not take creatine supplements. Talk with your doctor before adding any supplement to your diet. 2. Reduce your protein intake. Research shows that eating large amounts of protein can increase creatinine levels. Trusted source, at least temporarily. In particular, cooked red meat can affect creatinine. The heat from cooking causes the creatine found in meat to produce creatinine. People following diets very high in red meat or other protein sources, including dairy products, may have higher creatinine levels than people who eat fewer of those foods. If you eat lots of red meat, switch to more vegetable-based dishes. 3. Eat more fiber. More research is needed to determine dietary fiber's effects on creatinine levels. Nevertheless, one study showed significant reductions in creatinine levels in people with chronic kidney disease who increased their fiber intake. Fiber can be found in many foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, vegetables. 4. How much fluid you should drink. Dehydration can raise creatinine levels. Fluid intake can also be an issue for some people who have kidney disease. Talk with your healthcare provider about how much water and other fluids you should drink daily, as well as the best time to drink them. 5. Lower your salt intake. Diets that include excess salt can contribute to high blood pressure. Processed foods, in particular, are often loaded with sodium and phosphorus, which studies trusted source have shown potentially cause renal issues. Consider focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, and using spices and herbs to flavor your food when possible. 6. Avoid overusing NSAIDs. Over-the-counter painkillers like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, may be harmful if taken too often or in amounts over the recommended dosage, especially if you have kidney disease. Talk with your healthcare provider to determine the right treatments for pain and inflammation and how often to take them. 7. Avoid smoking. Smoking cigarettes can harm the body in a number of ways, including significantly increasing trusted source the risk of chronic kidney disease. Quitting can be a way to reduce the likelihood of issues with your kidneys that may increase creatinine levels. 8. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcohol consumption can be a tricky issue when it comes to kidney function. Some studies have shown that moderate trusted source alcohol consumption may help decrease the risk of chronic kidney disease. Excessive drinking can be harmful to the kidneys. It can also contribute trusted source to conditions like high blood pressure and alcohol dependency. If you drink alcohol, consult your healthcare provider about the safest levels for your health needs. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe to watch for more.